Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
So, there is a great need of this movement, and we are spreading this Krishna consciousness movement, and this is practical, very easy, and just suitable for this age. It doesn't consider how much you are qualified. It doesn't consider. Whatever your past life may be, you simply come here, chant Hare Krishna with your tongue, God has given your tongue, and taste Krishna Prasadam, love feast, and make your life successful. Very easy process. So, this is our program. So invite everyone to join this movement and you will be benefited, and you will see practically. It is Prattakham Avagavam Dharmam. In the Bhagavad Gita, it is said that this process of self-realization is directly perceivable. Directly perceivable. Prattakham Avagavam Dharmam. Just like when you eat, you can understand that you are eating. You can understand that your hunger is being satisfied. You can understand that you are getting strength. So you haven't got to take certificate. You can yourself understand. It is so nice thing. Prattakham avagavam. Prattakham means direct. Avagavam, the understanding. Direct. If you meditate, so-called meditation, you do not know how far you are making progress. You are in oblivion, you do not know. But here, if you chant Hare Krishna, you directly feel. Directly feel. I have got so many students, so many letters, how they are feeling that. It is so nice. Prattakham avagavam dharmam susukham kartum abhayam. And very nice to perform. Chant and dance and eat. What do you want more? Simply chanting, dancing and eating nice sweet balls, kachori. So susukham. And kartum abhayam. While performing, while practicing this process, it is very pleasant. And abhayam means whatever you do, even if you execute 1% of this movement, that is your permanent asset. Permanent asset. If you do 2%, 3%, 4%, but don't wait for next life. Finish 10%. It is not very easy to execute. Therefore, finish. Don't wait that I shall, let me finish in this life a certain percentage of self-realization, and next life I shall do. And what is the test of realization? Finishing 4%. The test is how much you have learned to love God, Krishna. That's all. You have got your love. You love somebody. But if you divide your love, that I shall love this country, my society, my girlfriend and this and that, or boyfriend, and I shall try to love Krishna. That is also nice. But if you give predominance, all predominance simply to love Krishna, you'll automatically love other things, and your life will be perfect. Other loving affairs will not be minus. Just like a Krishna conscious person, he loves not only his family and society, he loves even the animal, he loves even the ant. His love is so much expanded. It is so nice thing. How much you can love? Anything, as soon as there is some misunderstanding, the love is broken. But Krishna love is so sound that it will never break, and your love will be expanded universally. It is so nice thing. And love you have got, you have simply misplaced your loving capacity to so many things. You just revert it to Krishna, and when you perfectly love Krishna, you will see that you are loving your country, your society, your friends more than what you loved before. It is so nice.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama